Welcome to another video of Scent Explorer, and today we are going to explore another scent from Arabian Oud, that is again a concentrated oil called Asala Marakaz Asala. So this is actually called Asala blend, and let me show you the bottle. Bottles are actually the same standard bottles over here. You can see, you can look at the bottle, and let me show you the bottle inside the box. So you can have an idea that how you will get it. So this is how it will look like. Okay, so I'm going to grab this one into my hands and we are going to see the smell. This is called Asala blend, Asala Marakaz. There are different names for this one, Asala, Roya Asala, and I'm not sure, there are like 4 or 5 different Asala blends. So I don't know what is the meaning. Marakaz means the center, Asala I'm not sure what is it is. It's a blend actually. Okay, so now about the scent. It is very floral. Sweet, floral, a bit earthy, a little bit earthy. Maybe it has amber in it. I think it has amber in it. That is why it is smelling like this. Let's put it on a paper over here and smell from there. Yes. It is very typical. I have smelled this kind of attars a lot, but it's a very really good blend. It's also cheap. Yes, okay, so if we compare it with other perfumes or scents, it is not very similar to perfumes, kind of you can say leaning towards a bit soapy kind of touch, clean soapy kind of touch to the others, and kind of reminds you something like ambery floral kind of attar. Florals are a bit very well balanced with this amber, because amber is very heavy and earthy and spicy. There is no spice in it. It is just florals. You can say rounded kind of. It is very rounded kind of attar oil. It has no rough corners. Very rounded, very soft kind of feeling to it, and it is mostly floral soapy kind of smell. Okay, so they have not listed any of the ingredients anywhere. I tried to find them or googling it, but I am not able to find anything. Yes, there are, I think, 2 florals with amber and maybe something else, maybe sandal, but I think it is also one of the cheapest oils from Arabian Oud. So if you like this kind of floral, floral amber kind of earthy amber has a very earthy kind of muddy kind of smell. I have the actual amber grains, so they are very earthy, earth like, they are like mud. So if you smell the mud, it is kind of that. So if you mix it with florals, because it is very earthy, they get a very good blend and balance. Because too much earthy and woody would be, very heavy scent. It's difficult to bear. So if you mix it with florals, this is a good balance. So I think this one is good. I'm not going to say that it is the best. It is good and balanced attar. For me, it is not very likable. I would not say that it is my favorite or it's a very great oil. I have smelled these kind of similar attars a lot in the market, but this is, I think, if you are a beginner, this is a good one to try. So that is my review about Asala Marakaz floral kind of ambery attar with some very good balanced and blend with some, you can say, some rounded edges, very nicely blended, and very cheap oil. So I hope you would love my review about Asala Marakaz. A lot of people, they don't talk about these different low-end attar oils from Arabian Oud. So I thought that I should make a video and let you guys know that these are also some of the things you can try as a beginner. So Arabian Oud has websites in UK, USA, Pakistan, UAE, India. I think you can click on their website, open their website and see the countries list and select the country that is your desired country, and you can order from there. All of the other oils, I think they are not listed there, to see which one are listed on your country's list. So that is all my review about Asala Marakaz and how it smells. I hope Asalatul Marakaz, I am not sure how to say that, but it's Asala blend. So that is all. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. Till then, we will meet another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.